Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you our Valentine's Day Glam Powder inspiration colors and share with you a step-by-step tutorial on a love-inspired nail art idea. As always, start your manicure by pushing back your cuticles and removing the natural shine from the nail plate. Next, sketch out a half-heart shape using a permanent marker or a pencil. Grab your favorite red glam powder. Here, we are using That's Amore. Apply Rossi dipping base on the nail using the previously drawn sketch as a guide. You can skip using a sketch if you feel really confident in freehanding. Use an orange wood stick or a toothpick to get more control on spreading the base in the outline. Pour That's Amore onto the wet base. Powder will only stick to wherever the base is applied. Tap off the excess powder and use a soft kabuki brush to remove the excess. Repeat the same steps for the second layer. If you see that the product got onto your skin, quickly remove it when the base is still wet. Repeat the same steps for the second half of the heart on your middle finger. You can define the shape by using a pointy end of an orange wood stick and running it along the edge of the heart. Apply Rossi Activator to fully harden the base and powder layers. Use a gritty nail file like 150 or 180 grit and file along the heart to create a sharp edge and define the shape, then dust off filing dust. Grab a nice contrasting color like Back to Pink. Apply Rossi base to the rest of the nail. Just like before, you can use a pointed tool to get to the harder to reach spots on the nail. Pour Back to Pink powder onto the wet base. You'll need 2 layers of pink powder just like before to achieve the same thickness. Don't worry too much if you get some pink powder onto the heart. We'll file that off later. Tap off to dust excess powder. We decided to apply this very vivid pink shade called Always and Forever to the rest of the nail. For this, follow up your regular dipping routine by applying the first layer of the base to the 3/4 of the nail, dipping it into the jar and removing excess powder. Apply a second layer for full opacity of the color. Apply Rossi Activator to all the nails. Activator is what sets and fully hardens the powder. Let it air dry for approximately 2 minutes. After the nails are completely dry, file, shape, and buff them. At this step, you can file off any of the pink powder that overlapped onto the hearts. Smooth and refine the surface with the buffer. Once you're done with buffing, wipe away any dust and apply 2 layers of the top coat. Use quick strokes. Allow the first layer to dry for about 2 minutes before applying the next layer. Apply the second and final layer of Rossi top coat. Make sure you are covering all areas of your nail surface. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes for nails to fully dry without touching or smudging. Finally, apply a liberal amount of Rossi Nourish Cuticle oil and you're done. Be sure to continue applying the cuticle oil over the days to come to keep your cuticles healthy and moisturized. Valentine's Day is the perfect excuse to decorate your nails with hearts, glitter, and multiple shades of pink and red. Here's a closer look at the 12 carefully selected glam powder shades for the best Valentine's Day nails. Delicious, Cotton, Sparkle, That's Amore, Fearless, Girls' Night Out, Miss Independent, Sugar Rush, Always and Forever, Girls' Time, Paris Lights, and Back to Pink. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comment section which shades you'll be rocking this Valentine's Day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.